In the era of industrial automation, welding robots are reshaping productivity. Bodor Laser iWelder Industrial Automated Welding Machine makes a powerful debut. It takes on every welding task, powered by a single robotic arm. With a 1.8-meter robotic arm, iWelder delivers flexible movement and a repeatable positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, ensuring highly consistent, standardized workpieces in mass production. Powerful performance is driven by sustained, stable laser output. High-density, high-brightness laser energy is delivered, while output fluctuation is strictly controlled within 3%. Even during long-duration operation, iWelder maintains stable welding quality. To achieve optimal welding quality, iWelder matches tailored welding processes to different materials, enabling fully automated dual oscillation welding throughout the operation. 8 welding oscillation paths ensure ideal penetration depth and superior weld quality. No matter the material, performance remains at its best. With its outstanding welding capability, iWelder easily handles automated batch processing of thin sheets up to 4 mm. What once required 3 days of manual work can now be completed in just 1 day. Welding paths are planned through teach-in programming. Once programmed, the task can be permanently recalled, and batch production can begin in just 10 minutes. When iWelder operates fully automatically, safety and environmental protection remain uncompromised. Equipped with a fully enclosed protective cabin, it effectively prevents laser radiation and welding spatter. Welding fumes are centrally collected and efficiently treated, meeting global product standards and processing requirements. A machine of exceptional strength deserves equally exceptional service. 2-year extended warranty for the complete machine, 24/7 after-sales support, 400+ service outlets nationwide, and 1,000+ global service experts, together delivering concierge-level support, allowing customers worldwide to purchase and operate with complete confidence. Delivering high precision, high quality, and high efficiency, the Bodor Laser iWelder Industrial Automatic Welding Machine frees human labor and takes full control of the welding process with a single robotic arm. It can also serve as a robotic welding workstation or a core unit within automated welding production lines, delivering intelligent welding solutions for industries such as aerospace, automotive manufacturing, consumer electronics, home appliances, and kitchen bathroom equipment. iWelder stands as a key force, driving global intelligent manufacturing.